unfortunately inhlangano zodecide ukusayida noGobela yabo, of which they know ukuthi uGobela uyayenza lento, but they do not want ukuthi balose i-client yabo. So apparently ngathi kule organization kunama fees and whatnot that you pay up front uma ufuna ukuthi icala lakho bangalokhu nje bali-attende first and then balicishe nje yabo, kube ngathi nothing happened. Okay, siya fast forward ekugcineni uMaria loses her life. Kuba nezangoma ezi-involved, kuba nokufemba oku-involved, kuba khona abashiswayo, kuba khona abahengwayo. It's a very interesting story according to indlela engihlele ngayo. I don't know ukuthi soba interesting kangakanani kubantu abazobe i-target market yabo. So unfortunately I do not have enough funds ukwa-printer ama-books lawa, but kuzoba incwadi e-digital. It's going to be an ebook. I think mhlawumbe izobe itholakala ku-Shopify or Amazon Kindle. Please ngiyanicela bafethu, ngiyaninxusa, if you do have a friend oyisangoma, umsherele le video le, or if you don't mind ungayi-reposta uyabo. Please kule video angenzela ama-followers or ini nje. I'm trying to push le ncwadi le engiyibhalayo uyabo. So yeah, the name of the book is The Curse in Silence. The Curse in Silence or The Curse of Silence, between lezo zinto lezo angakabi neshow ukuthi kahle mele ngisebenzise yona or in, but in all ama-topics ebengike ngazama ukwalukhunja ukwa-brainstorm, iyo leyayana ebingathi ngconywana. It sounded very touching yabo. So hopefully izokwazi ukwenzeka lento engicabanga ukuthi yenzeke, and I pray ngiyafisa ukuthi yenzeke ibe yi-success yabo. Obviously the book will not be for free, but on the first week ye-launch kube kune massive discount yaleyo ncwadi. Anyways, angeke izibize njenge-cover incwadi or ibize njenge-iPhone, no, hayi, izobe affordable nje kahle, so that nanomntwana ofunda isikole angakwazi ukuthi ayithenge yabo. I used so many sources, so many resources, too much brainstorming, so many sleepless nights. So nje ngingajabulela ukuzithengela i-drink nama sengibona ukuthi hayi seyiphumelelile lento. So that is the story ke sharp.